On behalf of Adobe, 4Point, and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused on accessibility and forms, the missing piece of ADA compliance, where Eric Stevens, Vice President of Marketing at 4Point, will share key insights on accessibility requirements as described in the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.1.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I really appreciate you taking the time today. What we're going to talk about is accessibility in forms. And the reason why we talk about it as the missing piece of ADA compliance is that many organizations, when they went through their websites, their online presence, and making them accessible to a wide range of persons with disabilities, a lot of people forgot their forms. And we see this across a wide range of public and private organizations. We go in and work with financial institutions, for example, and they quite literally have forms that are completely unusable in many, many circumstances.